In this video, we are going to talk about my game Apple and the Ball. We will start on basic one thing. We will learn the coding, how the game works, and the boot sprite coding. Okay, I will first start with show you how this game works because that is the fundamental. So our apple will fall and you have to catch it with the ball. If you catch it, your score will increase and you will also get that sound. So that is the apple and the ball. You have to catch a ball. So this is the game. Let me off it. So let me. This coding is when flag click. I have told you about that blocks. I even take a test. It will switch the background and it will show big and it will set score to 0 because here the score is 6. Now we have to set it 0 and it will change y by 180 and forever it will change by 5 because we have to make it falling now. If y minus 180, if it go past there, then it will go to random position, set y by 180. So it will likely appear here. So with that it will fall again and again like that. So it will go to 1. So start sound, that sound chomp, and it will change score by 1. Okay, let's go to the ball coding. This is when flag red will go to its position and left arrow key, right arrow key. So these are the fundamental of my new game Apple and the Ball. Thank you.